Hello, so you click on this video to be able to make money online, and yeah, that's exactly what I'll show you. Right here, I uncover how you can become rich with this website I found that can help you mine lots of TRX. So after tapping the link in the description below, you'll be sent to this wonderful money making website machine.
Okay, and after you just get here, you will need to create a new account. Okay, so just fill in the details right here, which is your phone number, a password, and so many. Okay, so I already have an account, so I will definitely log in. Alright, so once you just log into this platform, we can see right here their announcement board. Okay, so just make sure you read all these details to understand the processes. Okay, so as you can see, for a single deposit we'll be getting 3% of our TRX every day. Okay, and this site is 100% legit. Alright, so after you just create an account, you'll be given a free 2000 TRX in our demo account, and this is what we will be working with. So just scroll down right here and click on this deposit button. Okay, because to be able to withdraw you need to deposit some amount of money, and click on deposit to basic account and just copy their wallet address. And as we can see, the minimum withdrawal is just 5 TRX. Okay, so let's close the app and jump back to our wallets. Let me use my Tron Link Pro. Okay, and click on the Tron, click on send, and send them some amount of TRX. Okay, so let me send them 50 TRX right here, and click on the send button. Okay, because they are super legit, and click on confirm, and let me enter my password. Alright, so as you can see right here, I just sent the 50 TRX to their company and it has been successful. Okay, let's jump back to their website and click on this recharge completed. Okay, and now let's refresh the page once or twice for our recharge of 50 TRX to show up. Alright, so as we can see right here, our recharge of 50 TRX has been added to our main account. Okay, so right now we are free charged. Let's talk about how to withdraw. Okay, so just click on this withdraw button right here. Okay, and after you just recharge your 50 TRX, you are allowed to withdraw 1.5 TRX every day. Okay, so just click right here. Okay, enter the amount you want to withdraw. So let me enter 1.5 TRX and enter your wallet address. So let's go back to my wallet right here and click on receive and copy your wallet address. Okay, and paste it right here and click on the confirm button, and as easy as that, you can be able to withdraw your funds from this website. Okay, so as you can see, submit successful. That means our withdrawal has been successful. Okay, so let's click on this home button to see something right here. Okay, so after you just scroll down, we can see we have two types of wallets right here, our main wallet and our promotional wallet. Okay, so the promotional wallet is simply when you refer someone and a person recharges, they give you some amount of commission right here. Okay, and when we scroll down, we can also see their global partners, which includes Binance and so many. Okay, so to earn your daily profit, just click on this trading right here. Okay, and as you can see, we are giving a 7% daily profit. Okay, so you get 7% of your 2000 TRX every day. So just click on this receive button, and that is all. Every day just come here and click on this receive and you earn your free 7%. Okay, so let's click on this invest button to also see something right here. Okay, you can see they have an investment right here, which is 5-day cycle for 2%. Okay, so you can invest 100 TRX right here and just put it here for 5 days, and after the 5 days you get your 2% profit, and you just withdraw everything as soon as possible. Know that there are no withdrawal fees. Okay, so any amount you get, you can be able to withdraw. Okay, there are also 90 days, 180 days, and 360 days. Okay, so depending on what you want, you can just invest. And also to invest to earn more, okay, you can also share this platform to your friends. Okay, just click on the share button right below and come here and copy your link. Okay, and every person who joins using your link, you will get a commission for that. Okay, so let's jump back to my wallet to see if I received my payment. So Tron Link Pro. Let's go back and refresh. Okay, so as we can see right here, I have received 1.5 TRX. Okay, and with this you receive it every day. So every day just go to the website and receive your 1.5 TRX, and with that you'll be able to make some decent amount of money. Okay, I hope you all jump onto this and make money as soon as possible.